Hey guys, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you for being here. If you are a follower, you already know that I have done two videos about how much you can earn from YouTube. These two videos in here, I obviously have done one in Albanian in my language and also one in English. And as you see, I got this video, especially the Albanian one, got a pretty good attention and interest from people because they wanted to know how much you can earn from the YouTube. But mostly after these two videos went up, I got very frequently asked on how you can monetize the channel before getting into this matter on how much you can earn from a YouTube channel. So that's why we are today in this video. So this is another channel that I have. This is a gaming channel. So if you guys want to subscribe, that would be awesome. The name is ViniV82, which is technically my name. So this is a gaming channel. I do live streams in here and obviously post videos related to gaming. But the reason why I decided to do this video is because finally, as you can see in here, I got to over 1,000 subscribers. And as we have mentioned to my previous videos on how much you can earn on YouTube, to be able to earn money from YouTube, you have two conditions to fulfill before being able to earn money from YouTube. And if we go in here to monetization, here on this section, you will see what you need to accomplish to be able to monetize your channel. And the first one being that you need at least 1,000 subscribers. And now, as you can see, I am at 1,010, so hopefully it will hold. I don't know, but let's hope. And next is that you need to have 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months of your channel. So if you are at this stage and you have gotten the 4,000 public watch hours and you have gotten to 1,000 subscribers, over 1,000 subscribers, then you might be on the same screen where you can apply for monetization. And after you do apply, obviously you need to fill something, and obviously then the channel will go through review, through actual review from YouTube. And if you meet all the requirements on your videos and you haven't violated anything regarding to the rules that YouTube have, then you will be able to monetize your videos. But that's obviously it's going to be after you apply for monetization. So at this stage, I'm guessing that you are already posting, you have created your channel, you have many videos on your YouTube. Obviously you have the 1,000 subscribers, and obviously you have the hours, the 4,000 hours required to be able to apply for monetization. So as you can see, this is going to be the practical way on how you can apply to get monetized. But again, guys, keep in mind, you need to have your channel created, active, and already posting. And then obviously, again, you need minimum 1,000 subscribers and a minimum of 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months. But this doesn't mean that you need to run your channel for 12 months. If you get your watch hours in 1 week, that would be eligible. So keep this in mind. Now, another thing that I want to point out is that I'm going to show you how you can apply practically, but this doesn't mean that you are going to get approved, because again, after you apply, then the channel will go into actual review from the YouTube team. And if they find that your channel meets all their criteria and you don't violate any rules, then you are going to get verified, and then you're going to be able to monetize your channel. But anyway, you need to keep in mind that the period of verification after you do the application can be a very short time, but can be also a very long time, because also we have the pandemic thing going on. So maybe the review might last from 15 maybe up to 2 months, who knows, but hopefully it will be as fast as possible. Okay then, so enough theory, let's go into practical things. To be able to apply and to be able to monetize your channel, you also need to have an AdSense account. If you don't already have an AdSense account, then you need to create one, or you can create one during the application. At least so I think it's going to be, because that's how I did my previous channel, the Spin Test Tech. So yeah, I think it should be the same thing. But either way, let's go and see what is going to happen. So let's click on apply now. Okay, now as you can see, we have 3 steps that we need to complete to be able to monetize my channel. And obviously the first step, it says in here, not started because I haven't done it yet. It says read and agree to the YouTube Partner Program terms. This is the agreement that makes it possible for you to earn money. So keep this in mind. You need to fulfill all these steps to be able to monetize your channel. If any of these steps is going to get fulfilled, then obviously you are not going to be able to monetize your channel. So let's go with the first steps and see what we have to do. Okay, here we can review YouTube partner programs, program terms. Please be careful and read all the stuff in here. I have already done, and I think I am cool with all of that, and I am ready to accept the YouTube partner program terms. So we click on accept and we hit on accept terms. Okay, after accepting the terms, obviously we get to the next step where it says that sign up for Google AdSense. So since I already have my Google AdSense account, that's why it says in here that it is already done. But if you don't already have a Google AdSense account, obviously you will hit on the button that is going to be here, and it will take you to the Google AdSense for you to create an account. Now this is very, very important. First of all, you need to agree to the review partner programs, and if your country is not part of the partner programs, you are not going to be able to monetize your channel. If you have a friend or maybe a collaborator in another country that is supported by the partner programs, you can partner with him and you can add an AdSense account in his name. But keep in mind that actually your Google AdSense must be authentic, must be with real data, because the way how you open your AdSense account and how you verify your AdSense account depends on real data and real physical address, because you are going to be able to monetize your YouTube channel through Google AdSense account after you create it, obviously with all your data and the postal information. Technically, Google will send you an envelope, a physical envelope to your address with a PIN code, and with that PIN code, after you have created obviously the account, with that PIN code you have to enter it in your Google AdSense account, and you're going to be able to begin monetizing your channel, earning your money and getting your money to your bank account or by check or credit cards. It depends what your country supports, because in my case I can only get my money from Google AdSense through bank account or through check. I don't have any other possible way to get the money. But yeah, just keep in mind that the sign up for Google AdSense must be with authentical data. Do not put in there fake data, because in that way you are going to lose the chance to monetize, to get verified and to monetize the channel. So now, as you can see, step 3 here, it says in progress, because obviously we need to get reviewed, and it says YouTube will review your channel to make sure it complies with the YouTube monetization policies. This step will begin automatically after you complete the first 2 steps, which I have already done, and I'm guessing you have already done. Believe me guys, opening a Google AdSense after this one, if you don't have, it's really simple. It will take you step by step by itself, so you just read and follow the steps very, very easily by creating your Google AdSense with your Gmail account that you have, your actual Gmail account that you have, and real data. So you just need to follow the steps, and it's very easy, believe me, for that. And then this will be okay. Due to recent global events, as I told you, please expect delays in application reviews, because again, the review is going to be done by actual people from YouTube, or let's say it's going to be almost a manual review. And if again your content, your videos do not violate any YouTube monetization policies, then you're going to get monetized. If you violate something, obviously you are going to get notified by that, and hopefully you have anything bad. For example, you can go to the copyright section on your channel, and if you see anything in here, like maybe you have violated some copyright stuff and so on, please try and fix them first, or maybe you can delete those parts of the video, or maybe you can remove all that video so you don't have them, because the more copyright strikes or claims or anything else you have, the worse it's going to be. So keep this in mind. Okay then, so now I'm going to wait, obviously, for the monetization, if it's going to happen or not. And if that is going to happen, obviously, I'm going to share this with you. So now I just need to wait, and obviously I will pick up when I get monetized or not. So let's hope and just wait at this point. Alrighty then, so as you can see, I'm pretty amazed, because after just one day, or even less than a day now, I got accepted to the YouTube Partner Program. As you can see, I applied on October 29th, and we are October 30, and important notification, welcome to YouTube Partner Program. Congratulations, you have been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. You can now monetize your channel and contact support. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Now I'm able to monetize my channel. You have also the notification up here. So if you go to monetize the videos, it will take me to my to the videos, and you can choose to decide later and choose every video and every kind of ads that can show on your videos, or you can just select monetize all videos, and then let it apply preferences and let it monetize all of your videos. But I have already done this, but you have to keep in mind that I suggest that you go to the YouTube studio, your YouTube studio, go to the video section, and take your time and take a look at all the videos one by one if you can, because it has happened to me with my previous channel when I monetized it, because I hit monetize all the videos, but somehow some of the videos were not monetized. So yeah, take your time and look all of the videos, because maybe some of the videos might not be monetized. So keep that in mind. I suggest you also do date from the first one, not from the last one, and just keep your time and look all your videos that you have available and see if the monetization is on. Because why not? You might lose some money if a video has been not monetized. As you can see in here, this for example says ineligible, because obviously I have a copyright claim. I need to fix this one if it's fixable, obviously. And if you see red, usually it's very difficult to fix this one, but if it's yellow, you can cut some part of the videos. But I will leave this one because I don't care about this video. As you see, the views are only 53, and I don't think I'm going to get any more. And I might even go later and delete all of the videos that have very little views, so I have less videos on my channel. So yeah, just go ahead and take a look and see if all of your videos are on monetized, and if you can fix those that are not monetized. And basically that's it. You just go to your Google AdSense account. Keep in mind again that you need to enter real data on your Google AdSense account, not fake data, because then you will not be able to verify your channel, and obviously you not will be able to get your money to you if you have fake data. So please keep in mind this. And also another thing, now that you are monetized, just be patient and wait. Just focus on your channel, grow your views, grow your subs, and focus on that. Do not focus on what you're earning and why you're not getting paid, because the payment are going to come with at least 48 days delay. So you will see anything on your AdSense account, then the payment is going to go from YouTube to your AdSense account the next month. So Usually it says that the payment is going to come to your Adsense account in the first 15 days of the next month. So just wait, be patient, because everything will gonna come into your Adsense account after 1 month is passed, and between 1 to 15 days of the next month, the payment is gonna come to your account. But maybe it may take a little bit more than 15 days. It depends, because obviously the situation, it's a little bit tricky with the pandemic going on. So just be patient and focus on growing your channel even more. Do not focus on the payment, because the payment will be there with a little bit of delay, but it will be there. All right then, so that was the procedure on how you can monetize your channel. Basically, I just showed you my actual way, step by step, how you can do it. I think it's very easy. But anyway, if you have any other questions, don't forget that you can comment, or you can contact me with other questions if you have, and obviously I will try my best to help you out with that. And yeah, hopefully you can get to monetize your channel as soon as possible and earn as much as possible. Alrighty then, so yeah, I think I covered all the things I wanted to cover. Yeah, I think so. So that is going to be a wrap. Thank you very much for being still here. I know that I make the videos a little bit long, but I'm sorry, I just want to make sure that I have said everything correctly and have given you as much information as possible. But yeah, that's bad on the way, because the videos end a little bit long, so I'm sorry about that. But anyway, thank you very much for still being here if you are. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Also, turn on notification so you won't miss my other videos, tutorials, tips, tests, benchmarks about hardware, games, software, and so on. So yeah, maybe the channel will grow a little bit more. And also, if you are into gaming, don't forget that you can subscribe to my other channel, or this channel in this case that you see on the screen, which is my gaming channel. If you are into that, and maybe we can play together, why not? So yeah, we can learn from each other, and also try and have some fun with games if you are into those. All right then, that will be it for today. Thank you very much again for watching, and as usual, I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.